Hi, I'm Trina. I work here at Lexington Park Dentistry, and I have patients that ask me all the time about dental implants. So I like to share my story. About a year ago, I cracked a tooth and unfortunately had to have it removed. So to replace the area, I chose to have a dental implant, and I gotta tell you, it was the easiest procedure I've ever had in a dental office. Dr. Amin and Dr. Strouth do guided implants. The first step to that is to have a CT scan done, which they do right here in the office. It's a 3D image that shows the nerves and the sinuses and the ideal placement for a dental implant. And in some cases, an implant is not an option. However, for me, luckily, when I had my tooth removed, I had a bone graft placed. So 6 months later, when it was time to do the CT scan, it showed my sinus area, which was really low, but there was enough bone there because of the graft to have a dental implant placed. So I'm sure glad I had that done. The day of the implant was super easy. I got numbed up. There's a guide that's placed that shows the doctor exactly where to put the implant. There's no pain, no stitches. It's super fast, and I do it again in a heartbeat. So if you are contemplating a dental implant, I highly recommend it.